Hello everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other tubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one session with me related to career, uh, relationship, situationship, details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you wish to donate via PayPal and Google Pay, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop via WhatsApp video call and Zoom video call, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so this is the reading for Taurus currently. Okay, it is related to situationship, what situationship Taurus is dealing with. Okay, so yeah, what kind of situationship he or she is dealing with. Okay, the current situation of Taurus. Okay, so yeah. Wow, cards are shuffling Taurus for you. So guys, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. Kindly like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasol Tarot Prediction. Okay, so this is the first one, the second one, the third one, sorry guys, Empress, the fourth one, the fifth one. Okay, okay, so I hope this is visible to you guys. Okay, let's check out what is the pairing for the Hangman, then we'll add a clarifiers after that. Okay, so Taurus, you have a very much stuck energy. Okay, a lot of hanging on situation is going on with the past right now. Okay, your situation is okay, so my god, so many cards are popping up. I don't know, but yeah, but we just need to take one card for clarifiers, right? The Star. The third one. Taurus, you have a very much stuck energy, I guess. Okay, holding on to something or someone. Okay, it can be related to career, it can be it can be related to relationship as well. Take it however it resonates. Yes, one more important, guys, is that if you want to if you like this reading, that's well and good. If you don't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, so yeah, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, I am giving my slots are booked, so you can book on yours also right now. Okay, so yeah, wow. Okay, so the Hangman is paired with the Sun. So the Taurus, I feel that you have a stuck up energy when it comes to holding back about a situation, about your life. Okay, so you are really worried about your life right now, and you are stuck up about someone or something, and you are unable to move forward. That's a fact currently. Okay, you are still hanging on to your past situation, past person. Okay, something related to the connection you are still holding on to. Okay, you are actually going through a lot of contemplation and healing right now. Okay, but at the same time you are thinking a lot about your life currently. Okay, you want to move forward, but you cannot because you are going through some internal healing currently. You are healing, hoping, believing, rejuvenating, meditating, resting. Okay, so you are a lot of you are thinking a lot. Also, one more thing, guys, is that you want to move forward, you want to end the situation and you want to move forward into your life, okay, that you are planning into your head, okay. But from the heart is not accepting it, that you want to move forward and still you are holding on to someone or something. But you actually from the minute you really want to end a situation, end a person, end a relationship, whatever it is, okay, toxic relationship, betrayal, problems, whatever it is, you want to end that connection or end that relationship with a person, and you want to move forward into your life, okay. And you are going through a lot of transformation and healing currently, okay. Whatever the fights you were had in the past, whatever problems, disappointments you had in the past, you are still thinking about it, but at the same time you are transforming yourself. A lot of new transformation is going on internally within you, okay. You know internally that what kind of situation you are in, and you are understanding the situation around it, around around yourself, okay. You are gaining a lot of clarity that what you are supposed to do now, like you are actually getting a lot of clarity about the situation, about your life, okay, how you want to move forward and how you are supposed to move forward. That's two answers you are actually receiving now from the universe. And you are going through some healing process, like a major rebirth is happening, like whole new perspective is happening into your life, a whole new change, a whole new transformation, a whole new criteria about your life, how to you want to live on your own terms and conditions, and how you want to move forward. That is happening, okay. You also have a stuck up energy right now, like you had a stuck up energy in the past once, okay, and you are holding on to something currently, but that stuck up energy which you had in the past, you are releasing it. Why? Because you are protecting yourself, you don't want to think about it anymore, you feel like that you want to guard up yourself, you want yourself to you want to focus on your self love, self care, self awareness, okay. And that's the best part, like you need to understand that what is the self love, self care, because you are guarding up yourself, you are protecting yourself, your life, and you are analyzing a lot of things around you, externally also and internally also. You are a mirror image is reflecting into your life right now, that how you want to proceed further into your life, okay. So yeah, there might be third party situation involved for few of the Taurus, okay, and that might be creating a chaos between you, and that's why you are thinking, contemplating a lot about that situation which you are having right now or which you had in the past, and some sort of wish fulfillment you want this with this connection. But at the same time, a lot of I think major third party situation is there for some of you, okay, because it is here is 3, here is 3, so we have 2 3 cards, okay. So that means that 1 minute guys, sorry. So yeah, third party situation, major heartbroken situation is there. You are still healing from a heartbroken situation currently, okay. You want to work for the things somewhere you feel, but at the same time, whatever betrayal that other person has given to you, you really don't want to deal with it anymore. You feel like you just want to leave and you just want to move forward into your life. You want to release all the burdens, pains, confusion you had with this person, and you just want to start a new life into your life, releasing all this stupid energies, toxic energy, toxic behaviors, betrayal, pain, sadness, worries, okay. You want to end it, okay. For some of you, karmic situation might end, okay, if you are dealing with your karmic partners, okay. Here major karmic cycle I can see. So for some of you, ending of a relationship might happen, okay. Yeah, you also feel pain and heartbroken when it comes to the happiness you had with this person. You actually cherish a lot of memories with this person actually, okay. And you sometimes feel really bad. Why? Because there was some person in the past who left you out in the cold, or you left them in the cold, okay. So yeah, either of the one person left other person out in the cold, and now you are Taurus, you are juggling between two choices, two decision, two connection, whether you want to stay into this connection, whether actually you want this connection, or you want to move forward into your life, because there is a lot of confusion. in this energy. Okay, you have a lot of confused energy when it comes to this connection. Like sometimes you have a high intuition level where you feel that you don't want this connection anymore, you want to move forward into your life. Okay, you really want to move forward into your life. There is a lot of confused energy. Lot of hidden secrets are there, okay, about your other person. Okay, so yeah, in the connection a lot of hidden secrets are definitely there, and that will be revealed to you soon. But I feel, your person has a lot of fearful energy as well somewhere, because you are guarding up yourself. You are no more, analyzing others part. You are analyzing yourself, you are healing, you are transforming, and you are understanding the situation about yourself, that what will make you happy. Okay, that's the best part. Two more cards, guys. Okay, yeah, major karmic cycle ending, major transformation, major karmic cycle is on the horizon. Karmic cycle is ending, maybe between 29th of July to 31st of July. Karmic cycle is ending for most of the people. Okay, and right now, Taurus, you are thinking, you are at a crossroads. You have a very undecisive energy. Okay, indecisive when it comes to your connection. Okay, you don't know how you want to proceed further, whether you want this person or not into your life. That's the problem. Okay, so yeah, you have a very stuck up energy currently. Okay, universal message for you: suppression, postpone. Oh, number 10, number 4, angel number 10, angel number 4. Maturity. That's correct. I know why it's happening, guys. Karmic cycle is ending. That's why this all things shit is happening right now. Wow. And one last. Then I'll be understanding. Okay, 2 we have. Okay, so 6 we are dealing with. The first is suppression. Suppression is all about, you are hiding your feelings. Even if you feel that a lot of love towards the other person, but you are suppressing your feeling and you are not sharing to someone else externally. You pretend as if nothing has happened. You don't want that person into your life. Okay, it's like that. 10 is all about endings and completion. So you just feel that you want to end this relationship and you don't want to invest in this relationship or this connection anymore. Okay, there's some sort of delays are going on between your connection. Like, you want that fast, everything should happen fast. Like, if there is ending, fast it should happen. If there is beginning, fast it should happen. Okay, so a lot of delays are going on currently. Postponement is going on, delays are going on definitely, and you are just waiting for the right time to all that, all this gets sorted out fast. Okay, so a lot of delays are there. That's why, you have an irritating feeling right now, and you really feel fucked up that what is happening with me and why it is not happening the way I want to. Okay, the third is exhaustion. Suppression, postpone, exhaustion, this is all the part of delays. Okay, so you're feeling really very irritated and exhausted. At the same time, you want to move forward into your life. You just want to wrap up this situation and want to move forward. You have a feeling that you don't want to deal with it. You don't want to give an emotional investment anymore into this situation. But at the same time, a lot of delays are going on into this connection. Like, if you want to suppose file a case, it is happening, a lot of delays are happening. Suppose you want to, wrap up the situation and understand the situation and get to know that where this connection is leading. So a lot of endings are there, but at a very slow pace right now. You are gaining a lot of maturity. Whatever transformation and healing is going on right now, lot of maturity you are gaining, a lot of, like, you are becoming self-aware of the life, of the people and everything. You are understanding to whom actually you should share things and who you should not. Okay, you are understanding that what is your self-worth into your life. Okay, you feel very isolated sometimes, you feel very lonely, you feel very blocked sometimes, you feel that, nothing is happening currently and you are really fucked up with the situation. That is what is going on, and that is what you feel currently. Okay, so yeah, here's the situationship reading for Taurus. Thank you so much.